Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to just start the process. I'm not decorating for Christmas yet, but I'm decorating for Christmas. But I still have all my fall stuff out, but I need to just get this little thing filmed. So I figured let me share this part, prepare it, and I'll share it with you, and we can just take it from there. Let's see how it goes. I have to take the glasses off. I can't. Now I can't see.
For Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon.
So I think this is a big enough space. I think this is a big enough space for this to work.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about.
I tried filming this video and filming a reel and TikTok at the exact same time. So I just wanted to show really quick. The King of Christmas trees are boxed so wonderfully. It does come with a tree storage bag, these gloves to protect your arms while you're flocking, and of course it comes with a stand, all packaged together. And then they also individually wrap each section of the tree when it's flocked.
This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.
I wanted to give an overview of this tree and give a little bit of the details about it. So this is, like I mentioned before, this is the Queen Flock Slim Christmas tree. I have it in the pre-lit version. She also comes in a fuller version. When I was deciding which King of Christmas tree I wanted to go with, I knew I wanted the Queen Flock, but I wasn't sure if I wanted the slim version or if I wanted to go with the fuller version. And here's why. So we have 9-foot ceilings. This is 7.5 feet. The option that was the fuller version was 8 feet. And although when I look at it, I have plenty of space to still allow for the topper and it not hit the ceiling, I wasn't sure how much wiggle room I was really going to have. And so I just said, you know what, I'm just gonna get the slim. And what I'm really surprised, or pleasantly surprised, is that it's still a good width of the tree. Of course, it would have been even bigger if I got the full size, but I'm really happy with this tree. I want to show it to you. I want to talk about it for a little bit while the lights are off so that you can really just get the benefit of the tree. Because if you were to get it as unlit, this is what your tree would look like. So I'm going to show you a little bit as well while I'm talking. I'm going to pan over and show you some of the internal aspects of the tree. But here's why I love this tree so much. This is my first round of fluffing. I have not gone back in. I haven't pushed her back because I'm not sure. I haven't completed my fluffing, but this is my first round of fluffing. This is my initial fluff, and she is beautiful. You cannot really see many empty spaces. Like I can see a few, you know, here and there, but especially from the bottom up, I mean, she is a stunner. I'm really overall pleased with the quality. And I did do a little bit of vacuuming last night, and you can see I still have some flocking on me. This is my second time ever having a flock tree. My first flock tree I got unlit because people were saying, this was a few years ago, and people were like, oh, well, if you get it pre-lit, you're not gonna really see the lights as well. I guess because a lot of companies, when they flock over it, like the lights get covered so the lights aren't as bright. That's not the case with this one, honey. But I took that advice, and let me tell you, that tree, after years and years of putting it up, she was a mess. If you want to go back and look, I'll have it, I'll put it in the cards here. It was my dining room tree, and it was from another brand, and it was a hot mess. I hated putting up that tree, and the quality wasn't that great. I can fully attest, this girl, she is stunning. She is beautiful. She is a queen. But let me go ahead and show you some of the things about the lights. So here's the thing. Let me show you the remote up close, and I hope that you can really get that. So as you can see, I have my standard, my on and my off, and I have 8 settings. I can actually make the lights brighter or dimmer depending on your preference, and you can set the timer. And when you set the timer, it'll be on for 8 hours, which is crazy, right? That I have it on its standard setting, and you actually do want to point the remote at the pedal. There is a foot pedal that's over by the plug. It actually has a very long cord, so if you, depending on where your tree is placed, if it's not as close to the outlet as you'd like, you can definitely still have a lot of accessibility with it because the cord is pretty long. And so I don't remember if I shared this. When I was filming this, I filmed it, and I also filmed a reel at the same time, which was not easy. So let me just show you. You can see it getting brighter. I hope that you can see that. I think this is the brightest. And so now let's go down. 1, 2, 3. Goes down 3 settings of brightness. So if you just like a soft, you know, lighting, or if you like it to be more bright, I love that aspect. Now, I definitely have not seen that before. So that, I didn't even know that. So I have it on my brightest setting now. And then pointing it at the pedal, this is your second option. Your third option. Your fourth option. You see it's getting brighter and brighter. It's going to dim out. Very nice, very nice. Yeah. This is the option number 6. I like that. That's number 7. This is 8. And it's just going to rotate through all the options is what 8 does. So I'm gonna put it back on 1. That's my favorite, Steady State. I like it very bright. And I will say that I am so excited. I cannot wait to decorate this tree. I wanted to go ahead and get it up and do the unboxing. And in a couple of weekends, so within 2 weeks, we'll be decorating this tree. I'm waiting for my daughter to come home from college, and she's going to decorate the tree with us one weekend. And we can get into all the fun. I'm so excited. I don't know if you can tell how excited I am, but I'm obsessed with this tree. It is gorgeous, minimal flocking fallout. I'm so impressed by it. I still have areas that I want to touch up, but she is just absolutely stunning. I hope that you enjoyed this review, this initial unboxing and review. I will have this tree linked down below. Right now, I believe it is on sale. So definitely, if you want to get your hands on this tree, I highly recommend it. And like I said, I'll leave the links in the description below. Thank you so much to King of Christmas for collabing with me and allowing me to review this tree. My review and my thoughts were 100% of my own. I was not paid to say anything about the tree. I was just given it as product in response in review to give a review on. If I can get my words correct. But no, not paid to say what I'm saying. I just really am excited about this tree. So like I said, everything will be linked down below, and I hope that you like this video. Make sure you subscribe, because I have a lot of Christmas decorating coming. I am so excited, and so I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.